Welcome to my YouTube channel, Top Tech 22. ETH Camper. The ETH Camper is no ordinary camper, it's a futuristic transformer designed to make every journey comfortable. Whether you're heading to the countryside, work or visit friends, think of it as a mini apartment for various scenarios. Its first stand-up feature is its retractable sections expanding the living area to 37c. The second is its ability to generate electricity 25 watt-hours and water 50 liters daily with room for up to 4 people overnight. The ETH Camper is like a mobile home for everyday usage. Tesla Semi Truck. The Tesla Semi Truck is set to revolutionize the trucking industry. With its advanced electric technology, it features 3 motors on the rear axle for robust performance and safety, and a central seating position for improved visibility. The Sync can accelerate to 60 mph in under 20 seconds even when fully loaded. Its active safety features and accident-resistant design enhance safety, while its eco-friendly operation consumes less than 2 kWh per mile and offers a range of up to 500 m on a single charge. The Tesla Seam is available in 2 versions, a 300 m range model for $150,000 and a 500 meters range model for $180,000, with potential fuel savings of over $2,000 within 3 years. Galaxy of Happiness. The Galaxy of Happiness spaceship is like a dream from a sci-fi movie come true, priced at a starting $33 million. It promises a luxurious experience beyond compare, spanning 53 meters. It boasts 3 cabins with private bathrooms, a swimming pool, and various entertainment areas with a crew of just 3. Every need is meticulously attended to its 2,600 horsepower engine and trimming construction make it incredibly efficient, crafted in 2016 at Latitude. CMC Athena. The CMC Athena is an Italian motorhome that redefines luxury on the road. Boasting an expansive 1076, it's booked to floor space it rivals even the most lavish apartments inside. It seamlessly lends functionality with elegance, offering ample room for work or leisure, whether it's hosting a business meeting, a dinner party, or simply unwinding after a long day. The Athena delivers with style, packed with essential appliance. Truck Surf Hotel. The Truck Surf Hotel is not your typical motorhome. It is a mobile hostel designed for surfers and travelers seeking beachside adventures in Europe. For a reasonable fee, guest can enjoy the convenience of sleeping near the shore. The hotel features communal living spaces including a kitchen, living room, as well as 4 bedrooms on the upper floor. It offers an affordable and flexible way to experience coastal living without compromising on the Crawler OTAG 385 is a rugged German-made expedition SUV that's built to tackle off-road terrain, while providing comfortable living quarters designed for up to 5 occupants. It features a well-equipped kitchen with a 3-burner stove and a large fridge, along with a bathroom, complete with a shower, sink and toilet, with modern amenities such as a smart TV, LED lighting, air and water heating systems and solar panels. It's ready for extended. PodX Go Grand S1 is a blending camper mobility with motorhome comfort. The PodX Go Grand S1 is a verse model touted effortlessly by a Fold F250. Within just 15 minutes it transforms into a spacious living area. A 34's impact with smart features like the EDAG1 system for essential functions and self-leveling in parking lawn. It offers year-round comfort and convenience. Despite its premium features, the $85,000 price tag may seem steep to Caracat. The Caracat introduces a new era of mobile living, with its innovative trailer houseboat hybrid available in various models. Its compact design combines the best of both worlds, offering relaxation on both land and water. Smartly engineered, if inside you'll find a cozy seating area, a well-appointed kitchen and an upper deck. Perfect for soak in the scenery. Despite its narrow footprint, it delivers comfort and versatility for adventurous. These Australian-made luxury trailers are built for rugged off-road adventures, categorized like luxury cars. The E-Class model starts at $78,000, offering up to 6 beds, a robust payload capacity, and a host of amenities, including a shower, washing machine, toilet, 4G internet and more, equipped with specialized features like airs, springs, ventilated disc brakes, and shock absorbers that ensure comfort and stability while traveling from one campsite to another. Valentino Rossi Motorhome. Picture this: Valentino Rossi, the famous Italian motorcycle racer, has a super cool motorhome designed just for him by a Spanish company called Rioja. Now here's the kicker: even if you've got the cash, you can't buy this bad boy because it's custom made for Rossi himself. From the outside it might look a bit plain with its black color and straight lines. But step inside and you'll be blown away. It's like stepping into a sleek modern apartment on wheels. The interior is all about style and minimalism, nothing like your average motorhome, and get this, thanks to some nifty sliding design, it's way roomier inside than you'd expect. Imagine this motorhome as sleek transformation of a Mercedes-Benz A-Cross Giga space trailer into an Italian yacht-inspired haven. Inside it exudes a classy nautical vibe that's both fancy and comfortable. What sets it apart is its unique layout, resembling more of a studio with no steps or elevations, and a height of 2.1 m. But the real excitement begins at the rear, where you'll find a garage spacious enough to fit cars up to 4 m long. Right above it sits a cozy bedroom, making for a cool design choice. These Italian experts even offer different versions, including ones with smaller garages for smart cars or compact ones for scooters and bicycles. It's like bringing the luxury of a yacht onto the open road. Get ready to cruise in style with STX Ala Edition 1. Introducing the motorhome that sets a new standard for luxury travel. This special edition truck, created in collaboration with ISA, features a sleek dark gray exterior with stylish yellow accents. Inside it's a world of luxury with the finest materials in craftsmanship. The STX AILA Edition 1 boasts 3 super-size pop-outs, providing ample space for a master bedroom, kitchen, extra-large bathroom, lounge area, and even a workspace packed with extras like invisible phone chargers and high-quality black leather seats. This motorhome feels like a 5-star hotel on wheels, with a fully equipped kitchen, a living space that can transform into a private cinema, and a spa-like bathroom. It's a dream come true for adventure enthusiasts. Get ready to experience a luxury adventure like no other with the STX Ala Edition 1. It's where luxury meets the open. Road 2020 Airstream Caravelle 16 ARB. So you might have raised an eyebrow at the $222,000 price tag for this trailer, but hold on, compared to full-size trailer homes which can easily hit $62,000 or more, it's actually a pretty good deal. Airstream, an American company with a century of experience since 1921, knows how to make luxury on wheels. Now picture this. The Caravelle 16 RB, brand new for 2020, is a cozy 4.8 m long with one axle, perfect for 2 adventures. Inside it's like a tiny house on wheels. There's a comfy bedroom with a double bed, and plenty of storage, a bathroom with all the essentials, and a compact kitchen equipped with everything from a stove to a fridge. And don't forget the dining area. It's got 2 chairs and a cute little table, just right for enjoying meals or playing games. So for a snug and stylish home away from home, the Airstream Caravelle 16 RB is where it's at. Adria Sonic Supreme. Experience luxury on wheels with this top-notch A-class motorhome combines style, performance and comfort, like no other with its sleek automotive design and modern interior. The Sonic Supreme is all about giving you a luxurious travel experience. Inside you'll find a lofty style layout with a big panoramic DC window perfect for soaking in the views. It's equipped with multimedia features including a Bluetooth sound system with hidden speakers, and adjustable temperature control with AL heating too. Keep you cozy. Storage is no problem either with spacious cupboards, a wardrobe and clever solutions to keep everything organized. Whether you're planning a quick weekend getaway or a long cross-country road trip, Continental. Introducing the perfect motorhome for travelers who want the freedom of a motorhome without giving up their car. Made by the German company Ketter, this luxury RV is built on a Mercedes-Benz truck chassis and comes fully loaded with everything you could ask for. Inside you'll find a sleek living room, a dining area, with a small kitchen, a cozy lounge area, a bathroom, and a master bedroom with a king-size bed, and a skylight. And here's the cool part, there's even a garage compartment for your smart car. The living room can comfortably seat up to 5 people. The front of the truck has seats for 4 more, perfect for easy conversations. One of the coolest features of the Continental is the lateral Ketter pop-out, which extends the living area by almost a meter when it's moved above the ground to 7 meters. Volkner Mobile. Introducing the Volkner Mobile, a top-notch motorhome packed with all the fancy stuff you can imagine. Picture this: a garage that can snugly fit cars up to 4.6 m long, a cozy heating and air conditioning system, and a super smart bathroom with its own heating. But wait, there's more. It's got a powerful 10 kilowatts diesel generator, and a solar panel generating 2.4 kilowatts of energy with a massive 1000 freshwater tank. It's like carrying a mini luxury hotel wherever you go, but hey, luxury comes at a cost. Brace yourself for the hefty price tag. eco-capsule. Introducing the eco-capsule, a futuristic living space that blends sleek design with cutting-edge sustainability. Shaped like an egg, this compact abode is powered by the sun and wind, offering off-grid living without compromising on luxury. Priced from $999,900, the eco-capsule is not just a motorhome, it's an investment in your independence and the health of our planet. With its rainwater collection system and energy harnessing capabilities, it's a snug sanctuary that puts sustainability at the forefront. Inside, every inch of the eco-capsule is designed for comfortable living. Whether you're working, relaxing, or simply escaping the hustle and bustle of city life, Morel Grand Empire 26T. Luxury with the Morel Grand Empire 26T, palace on wheels that redefines the meaning of travel. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actos 1853L chassis with a powerful 530 horsepower engine, this motorhome commands attention on the highways. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a world of first-class comfort. From ergonomic lounge chairs that adjust with the touch of a button to an expansive living space with a slide out for the living room and kitchen, every inch of the interior is designed for ultimate relaxation. But the Grand Empire 26T isn't just about luxury. It's about freedom. With its mobile design, you can hit the road and discover new horizons every day. Plus, with a garage large enough to fit a Mini Cooper, you can bring along all your favorite toys for the ride. This motorhome embodies self-sufficient luxury and limitless travel, and with a price tag expected to range from €600,000 to €650,000, it's a fair investment for the adventure of a lifetime. So why wait? Embark on your next journey in style with the Morel Grand Empire 26T. Tailor-made tour truck. Introducing the tailor-made tour truck, a mobile fortress equipped with a cutting-edge workshop designed to enhance your golfing experience, inspired by Formula One rigs. This double-decker behemoth features a gripping station, loft machines and shaft cutters, allowing players to customize their clubs for optimal performance, measuring 42 feet long and weight 22 tons. The tailor-made tour truck is a marvel of innovation. Its interior is meticulously organized, housing 1,500 shafts, 1,200 TP5 and TP5X GFS and 1,000 grips. All ready for action. But this truck is more than just a storage space, it's a game changer for the PGA Tour. With its unmatched capabilities, it's become an essential part of the golfing world, representing exceptional value to players and organizers alike. Getting fitted in this VIP truck at events is a one-of-a-kind experience, with costs ranging from $947 to $50, which can be used towards club purchases. Hitch Hotel. Introducing the Hitch Hotel, a compact wheel-free marvel that transforms from a sleek 3.5 feet to a spacious 7 feet. Providing a cozy haven for two adults on the go with its ingenious design. This modern masterpiece offers more space than a queen-sized bed when unfolded, making it a minimalist traveler's dream. All you need is a vehicle with a hitch and a spirit of adventure for those spontaneous road trips. The Hitch Hotel is your perfect travel companion, conveniently located and environmentally conscious. It requires no hookups and emits zero emissions, making it a nod to eco-friendly travel. But the best part, when it's time to call it a night, this clever capsule transforms into a safe elevated bed, allowing you to sleep soundly no matter where you park it, and with a purchase price of $4,499. Investing in a stay at the Hitch Hotel ensures a lifetime of wonderful memories on the road.
Timbercraft Big Sky. Imagine if you're looking for a cozy home on wheels. The Sky is just what you need. With 37 cm of pure comfort, it's designed to meet all your needs. This rustic style home measures 13 by 3 m and has everything you could ask for, including a washer and dryer, dishwasher, refrigerator and stove. Inside you'll find a porch, living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, and even an attic for overnight guests. Production takes about 14 to 16 weeks and the price is around $100,000. Get ready for the ultimate mobile luxury experience with the Big Sky, where comfort and convenience come together on the road. If you're all about compact adventures, this is the camper for you. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, share and comment.